I've got a special holiday meal coming up just for you. Are you ready? Let's do this. Woo! Hey everybody, David aka RVJedeye, and we are wrapping up the season and wrapping up the year with a great holiday meal. Something that you can do to ring in 2020. Something I think you'll enjoy. We're gonna do an Asian glazed flat iron steak with baked potato and sauteed vegetables. Put it all together, grab something good to drink, and it will be the best way to bring in 2020. Let's go ahead and do this. So two things you want to do right away. One, you want to get your meat marinated and get that going. And for us, we're going to start with some soy sauce, some oil, some ginger, garlic, some cumin, a little bit of salt, and then we will get that into a container and start marinating that right away. I like to give it a couple hours if at all possible. One of the things you want to do first, once the fire is going, is you want to take your potato, poke some holes in it, rub it down with some olive oil, and then I like to coat it with some Old Bay and then get that onto the fire. That's going to take the longest out of all of this. Get that on the fire, let that go, and then you can come back in, work on chopping up your vegetables that you're going to saute in some bacon fat. And then you want to make a little bit of your glaze that you're going to use to rub on your flat iron steak. The fire's going well. The baked potato has been on for a while. Time now to get the steak onto the grill and then start working on the glaze. Hey, just a quick reminder, if you like what you're seeing in this video and you like the videos in general that come on the RVJedeye channel, please subscribe and share. All you have to do is click that subscribe button below. Make sure you hit that bell notification, and that will let you know whenever a new video comes your way. I hope you continue to like the content. This particular glaze is pretty easy to do. You want to put some water and some butter in a pan, heat that up, add in some brown sugar, some dried ginger, a little bit of garlic. I'm using minced garlic, and then some soy sauce, and then you want to heat that up, mix that up. Once the glaze is at a consistency that you really like, you take it and brush it onto the meat, flipping it over from time to time to make sure everything's well coated. Back in the rig, it's veggie time. In a saute pan, you want to add in some carrots, some zucchini, some mushrooms, a little bit of butter, heat that up, and then I like to finish it off with a little bit of the marinade, the glaze that we used on the meat to tie in all of the flavors. So now the steak, potatoes, and veggies are all done. Time to plate this bad boy up and eat. Let's go do it. And there you have it. Asian glazed flat iron steak, baked potato with the sour cream and a little Old Bay and some vegetables cooked in bacon fat. I've got some Foster's Australian Fabia. Let's take a quick little bite. Absolutely incredible. I really love this recipe. It is the perfect holiday recipe for you to have, and a great way to end season 4. You know my motto, you never need to eat poorly on the road in your RV. So chef it up, try it. You can do this. This is really easy to do, and I think you'll really enjoy it. Again, thank you so much for following me all along for season 4. Plenty more coming ahead in season 5. So remember, you can follow me all over social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on my blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV. Thank you for a great 2019, and here is to a beautiful and happy 2020.